Okay, so I'm currently working on have two projects here. One is a large. It's actually on the last step of this one. It shows as a I guess it's gonna be a lampshade, but you can actually see the size here. It's pretty big. The smaller one is the one that I outlined going through here. So on the bottom of it, there's no panel 1. So I've taken the panel 1 out and I've made it into a into the access panel that houses all the electronics and batteries and everything. So there's 4 AAA batteries in here that powers this whole thing. The button itself controls the power function, so it turns it on and off, but it also cycles through all of the programs inside. So initially when you first press and hold the button, it will supply power through a MOSFET to the microcontroller, and then once the microcontroller starts up in its initial program, it will take over and control the power. It actually powers the through the MOSFET. So, and then on the last sequence, when you press and hold, it will actually shut off. It deactivates the entire string that's inside. There's a string of 24 LEDs, and then it will actually shut off power to the MOSFET, which actually kills the power to the microcontroller, thus shutting off the power for the whole thing completely. So you press and hold, and it will start to go green. It actually looks like it fades in because of the way that the string is actually set up in the in the LEDs. It's actually a string that's in series of 24 of these LED modules. So we've got green, so you press it and it will go into red, and then one more time it should go into blue, then we're into white, and then from white it should go into rainbow as one of the NeoPixel features. And then once it goes into the rainbow, it will actually cycle through, and green is the last sequence that it goes through. So it actually is kind of stuck in this until it gets to green. So if you press it, when it gets to green, it will shut itself off. And then it shuts power off to the microcontroller inside.